You, look at me. I'm the smiling letter, can't you see? Big U, small u, fun to say. Let's learn the letter U today.
U is for umbrella in the rain. U is for unicorn with a magic mane. U is for ukulele playing a tune. Letter U is fun for you.
Draw big U, a curve so wide. Draw small u, a curve inside. Practice every single day. You will learn the letter U.